Hello guys, welcome to my channel that name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss Group D Science question 1 to 100. Without wasting the time, let's start the question number 1. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, cells, tissues, yeah organ? The answer is option number B cells. Next question. Which organ purify blood in the human body? Heart, kidney, lungs, the liver? The answer is option number B, kidney. Which gas is essential for breathing? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, या hydrogen? The answer is option number A, oxygen. Let's find the next question. The next question is which vitamin is produced in the body of by the sunlight? Vitamin A, B, C, or D? The answer is option number D, vitamin D. Next question. Which part of the plant prepare food? Root, stem, leaf, या flower? The answer is option number C, leaf. Which planet is known as a blue planet? Mars, Earth, Venus, Jupiter? The answer is option number B, Earth. Let's find the next question. What is the SI unit of force? Joule, Newton, Watt, या Pascal? The answer is option number B, Newton. Let's find the next question. The next question is which acid is found in lemon? Hydrochloric acid, acetic, citric acid, sulfur? The answer is option number C, citric acid. Which part of the human body control all activities? Heart, brain, kidney, या lungs? The answer is option number B, brain. Let's find the next question. Which gas is used by the plant during the day and during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Let's find the next question. The normal human body temperature is 96.4, 98.4, 100 Fahrenheit, or 102 Fahrenheit? The answer is option number B, 98.4 Fahrenheit. And the next question. The next question is which acid is called the king of chemicals? Nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, या acetic acid? The answer is option number C, sulfuric acid. Let's find the next question. The next question is which gas is released during the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, या nitrogen? The answer is option number B, oxygen. Let's find the next question. The next question is the process of changing liquid into gas is called evaporation, condensation, melting, or freezing. The answer is option A, evaporation. Which metal is known as a quicksilver? Iron, mercury, silver, or zinc? The answer is option number B, mercury. Next question. The process of making ghee from milk is called distillation, centrifugation, filtration, or osmosis. The answer is option number B, centrifugation. Next question. Lunar eclipse occur when moon is between earth and sun, earth is between sun and moon, sun is between earth and moon is the father for the earth. Let's find the answer. The answer is option number B. Earth is between sun and moon. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Let's find the next question. Next question is who discovered electricity? Franklin, Bell, Newton, या Einstein? The answer is option number A, Benjamin Franklin. Let's find the next question. Which acid is known as a nitric acid? A nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, या carbonic acid? The answer is option number B, hydrochloric acid. Let's find the next question. The next question is, where is the red blood cell formed? Liver, bone, marrow, heart, या kidney? The answer is option number B, bone marrow. Which gas is known as a laughing gas? Nitrogen, nitro oxide, carbon monoxide, या oxygen? The answer is option number B, nitrous oxide. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Barometer, hydrometer, hygrometer, या anemometer? The answer is option number B, thermometer. The which organ store bile juice? Pancreas, liver, gallbladder, या kidney? The answer is option number C, gallbladder. Next question. The next question is, which is the hardest natural substance? Iron, diamond, quartz, या gold? The answer is option number B, diamond. Let's find the next question. What is the chemical formula of water? CO2, H2O, NaCl, या H2SO4? The answer is option number B, H2O. Next question. What is the SI unit of work? Watt, joule, Newton, या Pascal? The answer is option number B, joule. Next question. The next question is, which metal is used in thermometer? Mercury, aluminum, copper, या silver? The answer is option number A, mercury. Next question. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, या vitamin D? The answer is option number C, vitamin C. Next question देखते हैं. Which part of is known as a morning star? Which planet is known as a morning star? Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn? The answer is option number B, Venus. Photosynthesis occurs in which cell organelle? Mitochondria, ribosome, chloroplast, and nucleus? The answer is option number C, chloroplast. Who invented the telephone? Newton, Alexander Graham Bell, Edison, या Einstein? The answer is option number A, B, Alexander Graham Bell. Which part is known? Which part of the plant absorb water? Leaf, stem, root, या flower? The answer is option number C, root. Let's find the next question. Is option number C, root. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which is the largest planet in the solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, या Saturn? The answer is option number C, Jupiter. Let's find the next question. Which blood group is called universal donor? A, AB, या AB, या O? The answer is option number D, O. The process of liquid changing into the solid is called melting, freezing, evaporation, या condensation? The answer is option number B, freezing. Next question. Which gas is used in the fire extinguisher? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, या hydrogen? The answer is option number B, carbon dioxide. Let's find the next question. Which part of a human body affected by the turbocyclis? Liver, heart, lungs, या kidney? The answer is option number C, lungs. Which metal is used to make electricity wire? Zinc, aluminum, copper, या iron? The answer is option number C, copper. Let's find the next question. Which planet is called the red planet? Venus, Jupiter, Mars, या Saturn? The answer is option number C, Mars. Next question. What is the normal pH value of human blood? 6.5, 7.4, 8, yes 7. The answer is option number B, 7.4. Which vitamin A help in blood clotting? Vitamin A, B, D, या K? The answer is option number D, vitamin K. The purest form of water is tap water, river water, distilled water, या rainwater. Answer is option number C, distilled water. Next question. Which organ purify blood in our body? Heart, kidney, liver, या lung? The answer is option number B, kidney. Find the next question. The next question. Which gas is used in a balloon? Oxygen, nitrogen, helium, या carbon dioxide? The answer is option number C, helium. Next question. Which part of the human body produce insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, या heart? The answer is option number B, pancreas. Next question. Which energy is produced by the moving water? Solar, wind, hydro energy, या thermal energy? The answer is option number C, hydro energy. Next question. Which vitamin is known as a retinol? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, या vitamin D? The answer is option number A, vitamin A. Next question. What is the SI unit of energy? Watt, joule, Newton, या volt? Answer is option number B, joule. What is the speed of a light in vacuum? 2.2 into 10 meter by 8 meter per second. The answer is option number B, 3 into 10 power 8 meter by second. Which part of the plant conduct food? Root, phloem, xylem, या stem? The answer is option number B, phloem. Let's find the next question. The next question is, if you like my video, please subscribe and also press the bell icon that you get update as fast from the when I upload my videos. Let's find the next question. And the next question, which organ is called the powerhouse of the cell? And nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, या chloroplast? The answer is option number C, mitochondria. Which gas is used to process of welding? Oxygen, ethylene, nitrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, या oxygen, nitrogen? The answer is option number A, oxygen and ethylene. Let's find the next question. The next question is the chemical symbol of sodium is S, Na, So, Sd. The answer is option number B, So, Na. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of the vitamin D? As night blindness, Shakraveri, rickets, या beriberi? The answer is option number C, rickets. What is the boiling point of water? 90 degrees, 90.5 centigrade, 100 degrees Celsius, या 110? The answer is option number C, 100 centigrade. Who is known as the father of gymnastics? Darwin, Mendel, Newton, Einstein. The answer is option number B, Mendel. Next, find the next question. The next question is which gas is used as in the refrigerator? Oxygen, ammonia, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? The answer is option number B, ammonia. Let's find the next question. With the study of earthquake is called meteorological, seismological, geological, or oxygenography. The answer is option number B, seismology. What is the SI unit of current? Volt, ohm, ampere, or watt? The answer is option number C, ampere. Let's find the next question. Next question. Which part of a human body affected by the hepatitis? Heart, liver, kidney, or brain? The answer is option number B, liver. Next question. Which gas is responsible for the global warming? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or helium? The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Next question. The filament of a bulb electric bulb is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, iron. The answer is option number C, tungsten. The largest gland in the human body is pancreas, liver, kidney, or thyroid. The answer is option number B, liver. Let's find the next question. Which instrument is used to measure air pressure? Hydrometer, a barometer, a thermometer, or any meter? The answer is option B, barometer. Let's find the next question. Which vitamin is known as a calciferol? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The answer is option number D, vitamin D. Let's find the next question. Which is the fastest planet to revolve around the sun? Earth, Mercury, Mars, or Venus? The answer is option number B, Mercury. Next question. Which disease is caused by the mosquito? Tuberculosis, malaria, thyroid, typhoid, cholera. The answer is option number B, malaria. The instrument used to measure humidity is hygrometer, barometer, thermometer, or manometer. The answer is option number A, hygrometer. Next question. Which metal is used at room temperature? Uh, Sodium, mercury, aluminum, or copper? The answer is option number B, mercury. Next question. Which acid is present in the vinegar? As citric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, or hydrochloric acid? The answer is option number C, acetic acid. Let's find the next question. Which part of the plant is carry water? Uh, Phloem, xylem, root hair, or stomata? The answer is option number B, xylem. Let's find the next question. Which part who invented the electric bulb? Newton, Edison, Faraday, or Bell? The answer is option number B, Edison. Let's find the next question. Which disease is caused by the iodine deficiency? Goiter, rickets, Shakespeare, or beriberi? The answer is option number A, goiter. Next question. What is the SI unit of pressure? Joule, watt, Pascal, or Newton? The answer is option number C, Pascal. Let's find the next question. The sun is mainly made of which two gases? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, or oxygen, or hydrogen, oxygen. The answer is option number B, hydrogen and helium. Which blood group is called universal recipient? O, AB, A या B? The answer is option number B, AB. Next question. Which process converts sugar into alcohol? Fermentation, evaporation, oxidation या condensation? The answer is option number A, fermentation. Option number A. Which gas is used in the photosynthesis? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide या hydrogen? The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Next question. Which organ is affected by the pneumonia? Brain, lungs, kidney या heart? The answer is option number B, lungs. Let's find the next question. Which vitamin prevent night blindness? Vitamin A, C, D या vitamin K? The answer is option number A, vitamin A. Vitamin A. Next question. The which part of the eyes control the amount of light entering? Retina, lens, iris, या cornea? The answer is option number C, yes. Next question. Which gas is known as the Mars gas? Ethane, methane, butane, या propane? The answer is option number B, methane. Which vitamin is called as a tocopherol? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, या vitamin K? The answer is option number C, vitamin E. Next question. Which process separates salt from the sea water? Sedimentation, distillation, filterization, या evaporation? The answer is option number D, evaporation. Next question. The outer layer of the skin is dermis, epidermis, fat layer, या muscle layer? The answer is option number B, epidermis. Which gas is necessary for burning? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, या hydrogen? The answer is option number C, oxygen. Next question. Which disease is known as a white plague? Cancer, tuberculosis, cholera, या typhoid? The answer is option number B, tuberculosis. Which gas is spilled in the electric bulb? Hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, या argon? The answer is option number D, argon. Let's find the next question. Which part of the plant carry out photosynthesis? Stem, leaf, root, या flower? The answer is option number B, leaf. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure wind speed? Barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, या anemometer? The answer is option number D, anemometer. Next question. Which vitamin is known as a anti-satellite vitamin? Vitamin. Vitamin A, D, E, या K? The answer is option number C, vitamin C. Which disease is caused by the virus? Tuberculosis, malaria, influenza, या cholera? The answer is option number C, influenza. Next question. Which organ in the human body regulates sugar level in blood? Heart, kidney, pancreas, liver? The answer is option number C, pancreas. Which part of the cell contains genetic material? Cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, या ribosome? The answer is option number C. Next question. The next question is which planet is known as a ringed planet? Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, या Uranus? The answer is option number B, Saturn. Let's find the next question. Which organ is affected by the jaundice? Liver, kidney, heart, या lungs? The answer is option number A, liver. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also, press the bell icon that you get update from me first. Thank you for watching and supporting. Thank you very much.